dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of
Kids Cook Keto.
Today we are making
Swedish meatballs
by Tiffany. So Tiffany is going to be cooking this meal. I am going to be recording it. This is the third episode, and let's just jump right in. Get a butter knife out and just cut off half of that butter. And then put it in here. Just put it in there.
Ooh, that was fun.
All right, you're gonna add in your onion. Don't put this in. Oh, how'd I know that was gonna go everywhere? Get a spatula. You're gonna want to add a pinch of salt to this too. You can get the pumpkin shaker to add a pinch of salt to this. I'll stir this around while you get the salt.
So, let's pour some in my hand.
Basically, we're caramelizing.
Is that enough?
Yep, dump that in. All right, so Tiffany has the ground beef in the bowl, and it turns out you're gonna need way more ingredients for this recipe. The recipe I was following declined to mention that you need more until I was reading the directions. I'm like, wait, where did it say egg? So now we have more ingredients. Now we have a 4th teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 4th teaspoon of ground allspice, a 4th teaspoon of garlic, 1 egg. You're also going to need Dijon mustard. We're just going to use this ground mustard. You need 2 cups of bone broth or beef broth, whatever. You need half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And I think that's all we need now. So she has this mixture. We're going to add the almond flour and the salt and spices, the cooked onion, the egg, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. So dump in your flour, and this is the garlic, the nutmeg, and the allspice. You are going to add your salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of that heavy whipping cream out of there. Yep, there you go. And your egg. Here's your egg. Just put that in the sink. And now you're going to mix that all up with your hands.
God. Okay. It's one of the very few times you'll see me with nothing on my wrists. This is so disgusting. I hate you.
Clean hands, of course.
I popped it. Yeah, I just washed them. Otherwise, that'd be disgusting. It's already disgusting. I can feel the salmonella, Mom.
Get on it.
Oh, it's so cold. Feels like salmonella.
Feels like salmonella.
Yeah.
Tiffany, 2020.
2020.
2019.
I'll say that next year. Lincoln is giving me the eye.
Link, you're not getting any of the Swedish meatballs, my boy.
You sure he can't have some salmonella?
No. No Swedish meatballs for you, my man.
I call this dish salmonella.
I'm just cleaning up the area.
There's the heart.
Oh, we were supposed to add the onions.
Kills you. Oh, my freshly cooked onions that I made from scratch.
There we go.
That I cooked for 8 to 6 minutes.
That you just
Mom,
flung out of the bowl.
in some salt and butter. On a frying pan on the stove.
I'm just cleaning up and getting the area ready for the next step while Tiffany does that.
Keeping your station clean is a key ingredient to a fine meal. Should end up with a nice little texture like this. Salmonella and onion. mixing until your mom tells you to stop. The key is to just not care about the feel, okay? Just ignore how disgusting it is and just mix. Don't think about the look, think about the smell. Baking of smushing all your supplies together. Make sure to wash your hands so they're not all salmonella.
You can come wash your hands.
Think of it as slime, not as raw beef.
Oh wait, don't. You gotta make your meatballs now.
Oh.
You're gonna form those into meatballs, so I'm gonna get a cookie sheet out.
Take that pinch out because like that's too much. We can't have that. That's not okay. Oh, look at that nice raw beef.
What's
Beautiful.
with this one?
See, he just got a little messed up, okay? He's good, okay? Sometimes, you know, he has bad days. We all have bad meatball days. Just gotta let it go, okay?
Okay. These might be kind of big. No, Tiffany, they were fine.
Too big!
They were fine.
No, they were not.
You could have just made the rest of them a little smaller.
Disgusting. We're Gordon Ramsay. We can't let it slide like that. You donkey. Isn't it beautiful? Is that a nice meatball? Is it good? Link likes it. He doesn't care the size. That's too big.
You want to hurry up and form the meatballs?
Gordon Ramsay, you can't rush this. Perfection takes time, dear. Watch out for the ketchup, rosemary.
There was ketchup on the floor at Applebee's. We went for lunch today, Tiffany and I. And there was an old lady walking. She's like, Rosemary, Rosemary, watch out for the ketchup.
Rosemary. There's ketchup on the floor. Oh, ketchup. Freaking out.
Right in front of our table.
Still there when we're gone.
And nobody cleaned it up.
After she screamed, ketchup, Rosemary, ketchup.
They don't need to be spaced. You're going to be cooking them in the frying pan. You're just putting them on here to transfer them.
Nobody told me this. I wasn't informed.
I mean, you can leave them spaced if you want.
But there's no time.
I've never made homemade meatballs, ever.
And you still haven't because I made them.
20 small ones or 14 larger ones.
We have 9. We have 9.
Link is very excited about meatballs.
I know. Too bad you won't let him have a single drop.
You just coughed all over all the meatballs.
I act. Alright, and that one's amazing. That one's mom's.
Jeez!
This one's for mom. We're starting to get into
That
the big
meatball
boys.
is almost as big as the salt and pepper shakers.
We're getting to the big boys.
Don't know, Tiffany, that's a burger.
No, Mom.
Don't make them that big, seriously, come on.
This is a burger.
It'll take too long to cook. And then you'll be in here all day.
Minecraft! Okay, how's that one?
It's still way larger than all the other ones. He just wants to be a part of it. He wants to get a dripping. You trying to get something, buddy? You're not getting any. You're gonna go in your cage.
Can he lick the bowl?
No. Doesn't need to lick the bowl of meatball.
You know he'd love to. He'd appreciate it.
Oh, now you've really sped it up here. What's going on?
Gotta rush sometimes.
Don't get meat everywhere. You want meat on your bracelets?
He's so excited. There's only room for like
We got 18,
Oh, that's perfect.
19.
Scraping it all up.
While she washes her hands, I'm going to take some avocado oil. You can use olive oil as well, and we're gonna put some in this skillet that we've had going. I don't know how much we need.
They're so crazy.
Pick up the meatballs and put them into the oil.
Oh, look at that. How many do we do?
As many as that will fit. As many that will fit.
Look at how gorgeous these meatballs are. Totally be a chef. I'll be Tiffany Neiman. Top chef.
Chef Neiman.
Like Gordon Ramsay, but like Tiffany Neiman. You know what I mean? Last meatball. This one. Beautiful.
I could fit all of those meatballs in there probably. Do I need to do it?
Don't scoop for my meatballs. They're a delicate procedure. Scooch in there. Keep some space. A big mama meatball. Go inside there.
Well, scoot it so it can fit in there all the way. There we go.
Make some room. This one's a little chunky. Alright, time for Big Mama. It's coming in.
There we go.
What is that? The meatballs!
Maybe you shouldn't have put them all in.
Oh, that's right! I'm taking some out.
Take the big ones out.
Big Mama, I'm sorry, your time is not ready. What is that?
And then take this one out and then you're good.
They're misshapen.
Okay, there we go. Let's crank the heat a little.
No, you're killing them.
So it says we're gonna let them cook on each side for a couple of minutes and we'll flip them to let all the sides cook evenly. Alright, so the meatballs are done cooking. We are transferring them over back to the cookie sheet that I wiped down. Ooh, 2 at a time.
Because I'm still a little burnt-ish.
You sure are making an awfully big mess in between. What?
I got burned.
You want me to do it?
No. I'm Chef Gordon Ramsay.
Let's turn it down some.
Ooh. Ooh.
Okay.
Are you shook? I'm sure you are.
So we just let this thicken after adding everything in. It's a lot thicker than what it was. Some of the onions that were left behind have started to burn. So we are now going to transfer the meatballs into the mixture.
So here you're gonna take these thingies. Take your Big Mama. Lay her in that saucy batter. Flip her a little bit. Add a small one and a medium one. 2 at a time if you're feeling a little crazy. And you can even do it again. And again. And then go back to 1. And then you can go back to 1.
So basically all you do now is just let them simmer and cook inside the sauce and absorb some of the sauces. And
Really get them juicy.
after about 5 or 10 minutes, then you can serve them over some cauliflower rice or cauliflower mash or some type of low carb noodle, or just eat them like this. I will show you what it looks like when it's all plated up. All right, they're plated up. Everybody has some, except for Link. All right, taste test. Reese, what do you think?
Good.
Corey?
Uh-huh.
Peyton?
Good. No. It's okay.
How many stars?
3.
3?
Dang.
Burn.
Remember, you're next week.
I'm gonna give you 2 stars. No, 1. No.
It's burnt. It's not really burnt. You think everything is burnt. Peyton, what do you give it?
4.
Corey, what do you give it?
8.
Tiffany? 5? You give it 5?
5 out of 5 stars.
We're doing 10.
Oh, we're doing 10?
How many were you guys doing?
We're doing
5?
10?
Oh, if it's just 5. Okay, 5 stars. Corey gave it 8. So Corey loves it.
8 out of 5 stars?
Wait, we're doing out of stars?
I
That's
guess.
what we're doing out of stars?
Yeah, like a Yelp review.
Oh,
Wait,
then
no.
4.
10?
If we're doing out
If
of
it's a
stars,
10, then
4.
it's a
If it's out of 10,
5.
it's an 8. I like meatballs.
Okay, how many out of 5?
4.
4. 3.
They're just jealous that they didn't make it.
I'm not going.
I'm talking about Peyton.
Not bad. I give it a 4.5. Only because it is a little overcooked, but that's not your fault. That was my fault. What are you doing?
Burn! Burn!
Alright guys, that's it for Kids Cook Keto. Maybe one week we'll have Link Cooks Keto. Yeah, right, that'll never happen. Anyways, Tiffany, sign it out. Huh?
I don't know your outro.
Just
2
say thanks
cats,
for watching.
1 thing.
Thanks for watching.
This
Kids
is
Cook
Disney Channel.
Kids Cook Keto. Hey, I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Put your hand over it.
Oh, okay.
Through the wastelands, through the highways.